And then what's the 3 books? I think that this season, government first year. No,
Abeku ya share.
Baba, everybody saying now, how do you feel with this thing?
Because only big teams here, and you can see that my brother, national athlete,
Okay, now, question. Right, your name and player.
Yes, right. First of all, coach.
No, this time
to the player. Okay. Zuberu, what's the 3 goals against Asante? Sir, when you are money, confess or what to do. Sana, I am out as a player. One thing. These 3 goals I was against Kotoko. And then when I confess, I'm going to go. Personally, it's the same amount.
Like many Japan said, because it's easy. Say, special victim say, international trip. Say the Ghana, Ghana, or money big club, or Ghana, short tracker.
Zuberu, every using corner have been already. More game we more cool. Then I'm going to catch him because not Kotoko. And so, any game, there will game, no matter draw, no ball draw, no matter. It's a man of players like I said, no catch up, no over game.
So, football here, lose or win. They are calling for the everything. They lose by mistakes are here in the correct way.
Okay, so I think we have to move to coach. So, I move piano.
Why again?
So we start with Coach. You've won 2 crucial away games. One was against Ebiana Stars, and today 2 against Asante. What is your secret? Because these are 2 top teams. You've managed to pick 6 points from them whilst playing away.
I think that the secret is hard work, and then how you communicate to your players tactically, your game model, how you want them to play. That's what you need to hammer on during training sessions. Let individuals know their roles, group, and then the whole team as a whole. So that has been the secret. If you have a game plan, even if you are losing, you should still stick to it. Maybe if it doesn't work, you can switch to a plan B. But when you play a game like this against Asante who are very, very consistent in their performance, then you have to be cautious and come with a game plan how you want your players to play.
Okay, so your name and
Power Plus FM. Their coach, Kotoko, scored their first goal 46 minutes, and you came from dressing room. You came from dressing room on the 47th minute. So you didn't see the goal. What caused for it? Yeah. So you considered before coming to the game.
So coach, you were
in the dressing room.
That Kotoko scored the goal 46 minutes. But at that time, you were
in the dressing room.
You were in the dressing room. At the time you came in, the goal I've already considered Kotoko's first goal. That's the one led to your delay.
Me, I'm a Muslim, so I have to pray. So during that time, I was praying. After giving the halftime pep talk, what they should do in, then they were leaving. Then I also had to do my prayer because I'm a Muslim, so I have to do my prayers.
So even
if I'm losing whatever the prayer is constant, I have to do it. It's my obligatory responsibility.
Okay. Your name and media house.
My name is Zuberu. I'm representing Faisal. Coach, honestly, I cannot hide my admiration for you. You're doing fantastically well. Coach, first of all, you look at your team, you analyze your team holistically. I've listened to your club president, Alhaj Karim Musa. He's so confident that this season, Faisal will win the league. I mean, analyzing your team holistically, how far do you think your team can go?
I cannot say that. I still believe that Kotoko still have what it takes to win. But I think that, honestly speaking, they play very well. And when you play against such a team, you have to be cautious and knew what exactly you also want to do. And that's what I think that we did the needful. We sat back and then try to absorb the lesson and then when we are on the break.
What's your target then for
my target is that last year we struggled. This year we if he wants the league, me I want at the end of the season the team should be placed on the reception position in the league table, and I'm done. If he wants the league, if he feels he have the financial model to go to Africa, that goes on him. But me as a coach, I don't want to sit on thorns at the end of the season or last 3 matches. You cannot sleep and all those things. But if you are also comfortable place, so be it. But if he wants the league, that is his view. He should do for money and run and go to Africa.
But you are the coach. You are the coach. So if you have to be able to say something.
To say what? That is his view. This is also my view. So be it.
The coach's target is that he wants his team to avoid the relegation
That
battle.
is it. And he says he wants to go to Africa. That's his view. He's a
But he's
president.
your boss, so it seems you are few.
We can disagree to disagree. We can disagree to agree or agree to disagree. The coach too.
I'm a Piamamba, the stadium announcer. There is one thing that is leaving professional football today, that delays on the part of the goalkeeper. Today, when you watch the foreign games, you don't see goalkeepers doing that. But today, your goalkeeper delayed a whole lot of time, behaving as if he was so much injured, and with that part of your tactical advice that you give to the team.
Now, if you even delay, those minutes that you play, they add it. The referees are very, because FIFA is very, very stern on people who waste time. So I think that you should be very yellow. That should be a deterrent to him. If you waste time, what is it going to do? It doesn't have it. It's not part of our plan. It's not part of our tactical plan. So it's based on his own personal whims. He decided to do that. But I think that is a good point that I need to address it. Thank you.
Okay, we will have some small, so we need to wrap it up. Jones.
Yeah, Jonas, NGF. Coach, it's a well-known fact that your club president, Alain Buza, is noted for going for expatriate or foreign coaches. With this performance that you are putting up, are you trying to change the mindset of Alain Buza? The local man is also capable.
The team belongs to him. He decides what he wants to do with his team. If he decides he still wants to go in, so be it. If he only has the financial strength, he should go and do it. That's how he wants to do. So I think that this issue should not be an issue, shall we? You have to always take it. That is the club president. He owns it. Whatever he wants to do with the team, he has to go ahead and do it. Previously, whatever he did with it, that was his responsibility, and he got the results that he wanted to get. I'm not the one to say why should he do this or that.
Okay, can Faisal have a response? If anybody have a question?
No, before them, there are no questions for Coach.
I wanted to drop saying something. Your name.
Coach, last weekend against Nigeria, I asked the question about Baba and Amadu. It was in your previous games when they come into this game, they change the game. In this game that you started them, how did you see how you manage the game, especially transition from defense to attack with regards to Amadu and Baba this input in the game? And second, this one question. Second, referee decision, independent.
Coach, on the Baba
Yes. Football has made as the matches are played, you decide the player to use based on tactical game play on that particular week and against that particular team. So the issue of somebody doing well and not playing is not there. You look at what you want and during the week, who can exactly execute your game. So it's about rules, it's about commitment, it's about tactical understanding of the game and what exactly you need to do on the field. It's not even if you play, I can decide not to use
the next game.
The next game. That's not.
And what weakness did you see about the Kotoko team coming ahead of this game? Ahead of this game, what weakness did you see within the Kotoko team that made you decide to sit back and play a counter attack?
And that because I realized that they possess a lot, they do a lot of possession, and then we could not match them in that order. So we have to come with a game plan, said that we'll put our shape, we'll keep our shape when we are not in possession. Without the ball. Because football is two things, it's either offensive or defensive. So when you are in possession, you want to score. When you're not in possession, it's as equally as important as when you have the ball. So when you lose the ball, your defensive play must come together.
What do you Coach, lastly on the referee decision and the whole drama, how do you evaluate the performance of the referee?
I think that something was very, very, very wrong decision because in a big game like this, and then that decision came and all of a sudden you have to reverse it. I think something is wrong, but we are not supposed to talk about officiating because you get punished.
Mpacho, your Kennedy David Aki, please for time.
Coach.
Coach, what can I say?